Hello my dear students, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this section I'm going to explain a little bit about a website where you can practice vocabulary topics. This website is Anglomaniacy. As you see, I am at the end of the website. There are some charts with letters in alphabetical order with different topics. But in this occasion, we are going to practice just about vocabulary food. As you see in the first chart, we have the word drinks. In the second, we have food and fruits. In the third one, there is not a word related to the food vocabulary. And the fourth, we have vegetables. We are going to practice little by little, okay? First, you have to practice drinks vocabulary. Click on the word and wait some seconds. There are some activities where we can practice. The first one, word list. We are going to click there to practice. In this activity, you are going to practice vocabulary, okay? For example, juice, milk. There are another vocabulary, soda, tea, water. Then we can practice another activity. In this time to practice a quiz. We are in the quiz activity. As you see, I'm going to click on number 1. What is that? It is a beer. Very good. Then the second one. What is that? A cocktail. Very good. And then we are going to practice more activities. Wait a second to find where is the activities. Where are they? Yeah, here we have the we have more activities to practice. We have the guessing picture test. Yeah, in the picture test we are going to practice more exercise. Click on number 1. What is that? I'm going to choose milk, but it's not milk. It says beer. I have to see very well and choose beer. Very good. And then I'm going to practice all of the numbers. And also we have other activities. For example, a matching game. In the matching game activity, it's here we have another activity. I'm going to guess. Juice. Where is the juice? Where is the juice? Tell me. Where is the juice? Here. I think this is the juice. Yes, very well. As you see, you are going to practice many activities related to the food vocabulary, okay? You have to go to the Anglomaniacy website. Okay, see you later. Bye, my dear students.